Today we are learning planets' name. How many planets in solar system? There are 11 planets in solar system. Number 1. Number 1 is Sun. Number 2. Number 2 is Mercury. Mercury. Number 3 is Venus. Number 4 Earth. Number 5 Mars. Number 6 Jupiter. Jupiter. Number 7 Saturn. Number 8 Uranus. Uranus. Number 9 Neptune. Number 10 Pluto. Number 11 Moon. Planets facts. Sun. I am sun. I am burning ball of fire. I am very big. Mercury. I am Mercury. I am the closest planet to the sun. I am ball of iron. Venus. I am Venus. I am same size as Earth planet. I spin the other way and much more slowly. Earth. I am Earth. I am place where all live. I have land, mountains and lots of water. Mars. I am Mars. I am rocky red planet. I have highest mountains. Jupiter. I am Jupiter. I am gas giant. I am the biggest and I spin faster. Saturn. I am Saturn. I am gas giant. My rings are made of ice. Uranus. I am Uranus. I am an icy gas giant. I have rings made of dust. Neptune. I am Neptune. I am an icy gas giant. I have many storms. Pluto. I am Pluto. I am largest dwarf plant. I am icy and rocky planet. I am Moon. I am Earth's natural satellite. I am the brightest object in the sky after Sun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.